Verano, and this is Network Attacks, Evil Twin, MITM, and DOS. So let's start. The contents. Evil Twin Attacks. What is it? How it works? Impact and prevention. The second one is Man in the Middle or MITM attack. What is it? How it works? Impact and prevention. And the third one is Denial of Service or DOS attack. What is it? How it works? Impact and prevention. So, Evil Twin attack. What is it? An Evil Twin attack is when an attacker creates a fake Wi-Fi hotspot that looks exactly like a real network. How it works. The attacker set up a rogue access point or AP with the same SSID or service set identifier as a trusted Wi-Fi network, capturing login data from users. The impact causes data theft, identity exposure, and unauthorized access to online accounts. The prevention is to avoid public Wi-Fi, verify SSIDs, use VPN or virtual private network, and ensures HTTPS or Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. Next is Man in the Middle attack or MITM. What is it? A man in the middle or MITM attacks occurs when an attacker secretly intercepts and possibly alters communication between two devices. How it works? Attackers use ARP or Address Resolution Protocol spoofing and DNS or Domain Name System poisoning or SSL or Secure Sockets Layer stripping to read or modify data. The impact leads to stolen credentials, financial fraud, and data manipulation. The prevention is use encryption, HTTPS, VPN, enable HSTS or HTTP strict transport security, and keep software updated and avoid trusted networks. And the third, Denial of Service attack or DOS or DDoS. What is it? A denial of service or DOS attacks makes a website or network unavailable by overwhelming it with traffic. DDoS uses multiple systems to do this. How it works. Attackers flood a target with requests or exploit vulnerabilities, consuming resources until the system crash or slow down. The impact is the causes service outage, business downtime, financial loss, and reputation damage. For the prevention is use firewalls, rate limiting, load balancing, and DDoS protection, and maintain redundancy and monitor traffic. And that's all, and thank you.